Stop by and take a look at the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.